Now that Bliefnick's attorneys have started the appeal process for his conviction, defense attorney Casey Schnock, who represented Tim in the 2023 murder trial, applauds the 50-page brief and thinks Bliefnick may have a chance for a new trial. When Casey Schnock received the brief from appellate defenders Catherine Hart and James Waller, she says it was the best brief she has read in her practice of law.
It was interesting to see how it all came together the way that it did. I was very impressive and very creative, and I'm really interested to see in what the court does with it.
Schnock was a defense attorney for Tim Bliefnick back in 2023. Bliefnick was convicted of murdering his estranged wife Becky Bliefnick, sentencing him to natural life in prison. With a guilty verdict, Schnock says she and Bliefnick were always going to appeal. The appeal that was filed on April 4th details 3 issues with the Bliefnick murder trial: inadmissible evidence from Becky's family and friends, errors in the closing statement from prosecutor Josh Jones, and potential issues with bias from the presiding judge, Robert Adrian. Schnock says her biggest issue was the sealing and filing of a document by Adrian. The document stated that the Judicial Inquiry Board filed a 3-count complaint against Adrian, which dated back to 60 days before Bliefnick was indicted and nearly 90 days before he was sentenced. She says with this document, the entire trial changed.
That was something that we tried to avoid from the very beginning, was this purported conflict between, Judge Adrian and Josh and the whole JIB investigation and proceedings.
Schnock says that with the brief, she is confident Tim can get his wish.
This was not a cookie cutter brief, and given the issues that were raised in conjunction with the JIB commentary, he's got a great shot in my opinion.
Now, KHQA attempted to reach out to prosecutor Josh Jones as well as Assistant State's Attorney Laura Keck regarding the brief, but we have not received a response. In studio, I'm Hayden Donaldson.
Thanks for watching. Stick around by subscribing today and don't miss a single video.